D is for dragonfly, zip, 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 flying so fast with a gentle flip. With wings that shimmer in the sun, dragonflies teach us to have fun. Let's write the letter D, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital D with a curve and line so tall. Lowercase with a round turn for all. D is for dragonfly, zip, zip, zip. Learning letters without a slip. The dragonfly flies with the wind so light, dancing in the air, oh what a sight. Through the fields and by the stream, dragonflies teach us to chase our dream. The letter D is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Capital D with a curve and line so tall. Lowercase with a round turn for all. D is for dragonfly, zip, zip, zip. Learning letters without a slip. Dragonflies fly where the flowers bloom. Let's write the letter D in every room. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter D is next in our ABCs. Capital D with a curve and line so tall. Lowercase with a round turn for all. D is for dragonfly, zip, zip, zip. Learning letters without a slip.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.